In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add rows or columns in your table. So the first thing is you want to make sure you have table. So I'm going to type /table. And now if you have table like this, 3 times 3, and you want to add columns or rows, just simply click on the plus icon next to it. So this is going to add columns, this plus button, and if you click on this under plus, it's going to add rows. And you can also hold it and just drag it like this, right? So this is going to create rows and columns. And if you want to make the same width for each column, you can simply click on those 6 dots next to the first row and click on fit to width, and this is going to make the same width of each column, as you can see. Or if you would like to make the specific column wider than the others, you can simply hover your mouse in the between of the two columns and just drag it like this, and this is going to make this wider. So this was a quick video how you can add columns and rows in your table. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.